Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at number 5. It is also optional, so you could move on if you'd like to the next problem, but we have Jay and Bob that are working together and they can finish a job in 8 hours. If they work together for 6 hours, after which Jay leaves, Bob needs 9 more hours to finish the job. How long would it take Jay if he had done the job working alone? So let's see, if they're working together and it takes them 8 hours to complete the job, on a per hour basis, they're getting 1/8 of the job done. So each hour they get 1/8 of the job. There's 4 hours, then they've got half the job completed. 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, and the whole job is completed. Well, it says that they worked together for 6 hours, so they completed this part of the job. They completed 6/8 of the job. Well, both of those are even numbers. That reduces to 3/4. So they almost got the whole thing done when they were working together, but apparently Jay had to leave. So this last part, the job that's the amount of the job that's left is 2/8, which reduces to 1/4. So Bob has to do the last 1/4 of the job on his own. Now, we don't know the rate that Bob works by himself, so let's just call that X. So X is Bob's work rate when he's working alone. Or actually, I guess I should say, really technically I should let X be the number of hours that Bob needs to complete the job, and then his rate is 1/X. So if I make this 1/X, that's his work rate. Now, it took him 9 hours. So in 9 hours, at working on a per hour basis, 1/X, Bob was able to complete 1/4 of the job. Okay, so that means that if Bob had worked alone, it would have taken him 36 hours, right? Cross multiply, I can write this 9 as 9/1, and 9 times 1 is 9. So 36 hours is what Bob could have done the job working alone. So if that's the length of time that he needs, Bob's rate of work is this 1/36. Instead of 1/X, I now know that it's 1/36. So I have, let's let Y be the hours, the number of hours that J needs to complete the job when he's working alone. So since Bob can get the whole job done in 36 hours, he's getting 1/36 of the job done per hour. J is getting 1/Y part of the job done, and together it would have taken them 8 hours. So now I can jump to the calculator and easily solve this for J. I'm going to continue over here. I've got 1/Y. I'll just take 1/8 minus 1/36. That'll tell me what 1/Y is, and then I'll hit the inverse button and I'll be done. So I've got 1 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 36. And if I hit this inverse button, so I believe that J, working alone, can get the job done in, say, if I just round to the nearest tenth, 10.3 hours. Alright, so Hope that helps. Talk to you later.